Hi everyone, this is Sana from the Brown Tribe. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing Canada Tourist Visa 2023 guide, so please follow along. Artem is a citizen of Ukraine and is a film student and wants to travel to Canada to attend a seminar at the Toronto International Film Festival. Artem knows he needs a visitor visa but is not sure if he can get one. Some visitors are exempt from visas, some need ETA, but many need a TRV, also known as Temporary Resident Visa. Not everyone is approved for a visa. You have to convince an immigration officer that you meet the following requirements before they issue you a TRV. Number 1. You have a valid reason for visiting Canada. Number 2. You have enough financial resources to cover expenses for your visit. Number 3. You will return to your home country of the residence before the expiry of your visa. Number 4. You are not inadmissible to Canada. Let us break down all the requirements and go one by one. A valid reason for visiting Canada is visiting friends, relatives, attending seminars, concerts, exhibition, or even medical treatment. If you are attending a seminar, then a proof that you are attending the conference in Canada. This can be an invitation letter from the organizers or the program that indicates your name if you are presenting a paper or giving a talk. If you are visiting a friend or a family member to attend his or her wedding, then an invitation letter indicating you have been invited to attend the wedding ceremony. Now that being said, you also need to provide proof that you have enough resources to cover for your stay in Canada. If you have been invited by your son or daughter, then you will have to provide proof of their income such as their pay stubs, bank statements, and tax documents. Meanwhile, the applicant has to show their bank statements for the last 6 months, pay stubs, and job offer. If you are retired, then you can show your pension income. It is also advisable to ask your employer to issue you a letter stating that they have granted you leave for your trip to Canada and they expect you to join back once the trip is over. Showing a strong connection with your country is very important. If you have assets or investments, they can build a strong case. For your property, you will need to show papers indicating that the house belongs to you and a valuation of how much is the worth of your property. If you don't own a property, that's fine. A lot of visitors do come to Canada that don't own any property. In this case, you can show a lease agreement along with any investments you may have, for example, fixed deposits, stocks, or mutual funds. Pre-reservation can also be helpful for the approval of your visa. The visa officer will see that you have a return ticket booked, and this could lead to more positive outcome. Also, if you have hotel reservation with the check-in and check-out dates, that will also help your case. A good travel history to other countries is a good indication you do not intend to stay in Canada illegally or try to obtain a job while on tourist visa. If you have traveled to other countries, make sure you submit relevant documents like visa, counterfoils, exit stamps, and all this can be found on your passport. The officer may refuse the application based on inadmissibility to Canada for reasons such as medical and criminal history or association with organized crime or terrorist outfits. Visa officers are trained to deal with all applications and also possess the means to verify all the documents that you have submitted. There is a considerable amount of subjectivity in assessing visitors' visa. It all depends on how the visa officer views your application. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you all can meet your loved ones and explore this beautiful country, Canada. Thank you. See you guys until next time. Bye-bye.